Hello friends, Running Kimono. So this is your Walgreens preview for October the 31st to November the 6th. Deals start on Sunday. Well, we have a new ad preview. This has been going on now for 2 weeks, a little harder to read, and it's just kind of like not very big on the graphics. I know a lot of you are not very displeased with this. Send them a quick message through one of their social media apps, email them, or call their 1-800 number. You have the power in your voice, so reach out to them and tell them that you want the old ad back. And sometimes when they do these big changes this time of the year, they tend to switch things over in the new year if a lot of people are not happy with it. Okay, guys, so Halloween is going to be celebrated on the Sunday. The Monday following, which is November the 1st, classically, the remaining Halloween stuff will be 50% off. And then usually to get that stuff off the floor to make it more Christmassy, it's a very quick turnaround. When I have information, if it hits 75 or 90, I will let you know one way or the other. And also, if you love P&G, this weekend, I believe the inserts should be in the newspaper. So whatever your local paper is, if the inserts are in the Friday or the Saturday or the Sunday paper, you might want to look at a newspaper at a gas station and flip through it and see what kind of coupons are in your local P&G. So first thing this morning, I had boosters on both of my store cards. This one is $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20, and this is valid from the 31st to the 6th, so I have that window to work with. And this is of a one-time use as well. Even if it still remains on your store card, it's a one and done, so just be warned of that. Now, if you might have received one of these paper boosters at the store, 7 back when you spend $25, pairing one paper and one digital, yes, you can do that. I would have to spend $25 before coupons to get the two to work. This one along with the other one I just showed you. But hey, that's not bad. That's $12 back when I'm spending $25. Again, the rules, it's from the 31st to the 6th. It's of a one-time use. Yes, it stacks with that paper one I just showed you. That comes out of the Catalina machine and a lottery if you get it or you don't. For the balance of after coupons, you have to use your debit card, credit card, or cash bills. Do not factor in your IVCs to the balance or use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance for this one, or you will not earn it back as this is a spend booster. Okay, so this little friend also appeared, and this starts on November the 1st, and for me, it's to make 8 purchases at $20 a pop. I'm going to get back $10 of Walgreens cash, at the very least loaded. Who knows, maybe the month of November will heat up and we'll be in there nonstop shopping all month long. Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, so the first little dealio that we have is on the Bounty, Tide, or Charmin. It's $5.24. I think they raised that about 25 cents or 30 cents or something like that. And the deal with this is if you buy 4 participating products, and yes, you can mix and match, you will get back a $6 register reward. And it says it has a 25-cent coupon, but that's usually for the paper products. So I'm thinking that Tide Liquid and Tide Pods may or may not have a $2 coupon. I know it's in this weekend's November P&G. If you might have this guy, let's throw this into the mix. We have a $5.24 per product, so it makes it easier to get to the $20. So grabbing, say, 4 Tide products, that's $20.96. Subtracting, say you have the $2 coupon for the Tide Pods and Liquid in the November P&G, or alternatively, maybe there's going to be digitals for those on Sunday morning. Load your booster, which is 5 back when you spend $20. After the 2 paper or digital coupons, it'll be $16.96. Charge that to your debit card. You're going to get back $5 of Walgreens cash for the booster, plus a $6 register reward for buying 4 of those, making it $5.96 for the 4 or $1.49 per. Check again Sunday morning for those digitals. And if you're using this specific deal with that booster of spend 20, get back 5, you cannot use Walgreens cash to pay down your balance. Okay, so this is a really good paper deal, and this is all month long where these Scott's Kleenex are $5 each. So for this little deal, I'm grabbing one of the paper towels and then 1 pack of these Kleenexes. And then either you can load this digitally, or if your store might have the big book of savings, here it is. It's $1.25 off. You scan this once and $1.25 comes off. And this is found on page 8 of the big book of savings found at the front of the store. And if you go over to your ShopKick account, there's 450 points back for each. So that's basically like 360. It's 900 points. So grabbing 1 Kleenex and 1 Scott, that's $10. Subtracting that IVC, so that'll double. So it'll be $2.50 off. I would use that $6 register reward that we got from the last Tide deal, along with $1 of Walgreens cash, pay 50 cents plus your tax, and make that 900 point submission to Shopkick. So you're getting back $3.60. I think this is just a really smart flip of Walgreens cash and register rewards to get some paper products for your household. Okay, so now we have a quick little deal with the REVLON to spend $15 to get back a $5 register reward. Now, on Friday morning, a very generous 5 off of 2 digital popped up. So here it is to the left. Load that one right away. We're going to grab a lipstick for $7.49 and then like a brow product for $7.69. You add those two products up together, you're at $15. So they're not going to penny us out like, $14.99 or something stupid like that. So we are at $15 with a purchase of both. Now, if you go over to your IBOTTA account, guys, we have $3 back for an eye cosmetics, which is really generous, and then $2 back for a lip product. So here it is. Let's grab one brow product, one lip product for $15.18. Subtracting the 5 off of 2 digital, along with $10 of Walgreens cash. Pay 18 cents plus your tax. Get back a $5 register reward, and then get back $5 from IBOTTA. 3 for the eye, 2 for the lip, making it completely for free. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so let's talk about clearance. Will clearance activate that register reward? We'll have to wait and see what happens. It's certainly tagged, and I know that my store is friendlier with shoppers, so even if it doesn't, they'll probably give me the Walgreens cash. But I'll definitely test this one out on Sunday. So I would grab 2 of these foundations priced at $5.49. Remember, you really have to watch the mathematics like a hawk because you have to be at that $15 price point to get these to print. And then I'm also going to grab one of the really inexpensive lipsticks at $4.99. Unfortunately, the digital coupons will not attach to this. Over on IBOTTA, we have a $3 back for any face cosmetic. Twice you can do that, and then $2 back for a lip. So grabbing 2 of the foundations for $10.98 and then 1 clearance lipstick for $4.99. The total is $15.97. Pay that out of pocket, use Walgreens cash, register rewards, whatever you want to do. You're going to get back that $5 register reward and then $8 back from IBOTTA, 6 for the foundation, 2 for the lip, making it $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents each. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. And I have to test this one to see if that $5 register reward will print with this clearance. It was printing for the lipstick a couple weeks back, so I'm sure this will work, but we always have to double, triple check. Okay, so now let's talk about some free toothpaste. $3 for these crests. There's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital, and then earn $3 when you buy 3. So how interesting is that? So we're going to grab 3 of these toothpaste for $9 on the nose. Subtracting that 5 off of 3 digital manufacturer, you're paying 4 out of pocket, getting back a $4 register reward, making this free. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to spend it to earn it, you can absolutely do it for this deal. Now we have a quick Head & Shoulders deal. You see how it says deal of the week and then in-store reward 5 off or whatever? If you see the same verbiage in multiple deals and you want to do multiple of them in one transaction, pick one because I think it's the same deal. Even though stuff isn't tagged anymore at the store, I think this is how like their little aha moment. So grabbing 2 of the Head & Shoulders shampoo, that's $12 on the nose. In this weekend's P&G, there's going to be a 3 off of 2, so hopefully there's a digital one to counterpart that. You'll pay $9 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per shampoo. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can absolutely do that. Okay, so another toothpaste deal, $2.99. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that's showing up on Sunday, and then $3 of Walgreens cash when you purchase 2 of these bad boys. Okay, so this is a pretty straightforward deal. Grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste, that's $5.98. Subtracting the 3 off of 2 digital, you're paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, shaking this out to free. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to spend it to earn it, you can absolutely do it with this deal if you're not using it in concert with one of those spend boosters. Okay, so now we have this Dove deal. See how it says deal of the week? So if you were going to do this and Head & Shoulders at the same time because it's printing out a register reward, I would say to pick one or the other. So grabbing 2 of these, we're going to go with the men's one. That would be $12 on the nose, and we're going to have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, if you go over to your Fetch Rewards app for the men's, look, we're going to get $2 back when we buy 2. So how nice is that? You have to do this one by November the 1st as it has a quick expiry date. Love Fetch Rewards. Join this app today if you want to. Link in the notes. You're going to get $2 when you photograph your first receipt. It could be a pack of gum you bought last week. You're going to be given $2. So check out that link if you are new to the Fetch Rewards app. So grabbing 2 of the men's Dove, that's 12 on the nose, subtracting that 2 off of 2 digital, pay $10, use some Walgreens cash if you wish. You're going to get back a $5 register reward, $2 back from Fetch, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per bar of men's deodorant. Again, if you're not using this with a booster, absolutely you can use the Walgreens cash to earn that register reward for this specific scenario. Angel Soft bathroom tissue, they're $3.99. We're going to have a 50-cent digital coupon starting on Sunday morning, and then $3 register reward when you buy 3. So grabbing 3 packs of the Angel Soft, that's $11.97. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $11.47 out of pocket. I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay $1.47 out of pocket, get back your $3 register reward. If you're not using this in concert with one of those boosters, such as spend 20, get back 5, absolutely use a little bit of Walgreens cash to get some inexpensive toilet paper. Okay, now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions for this little ad. The Febreze is 2 for $6. There's going to be a 3 off of 2 digital, which is part of the November P&G, similar coupon, so they're making it digital. So you're going to pay 3 for the 2, and it's going to be basically like $1.50 per product. And, really good deal. And if you love Christmas, the Melissa and Doug, they have some very nice advent calendars. This is a wooden, countdown to Christmas. If you like to decorate in your home, I think this was $24.99 I saw online. It's really, really nice. And then also Squishmallows for $19.99. The last couple years in my area, these sell out really, really quickly. So if you wanted to gift some of these for someone special for Christmas, you might want to pick it up sooner than later. Use $20 in Walgreens cash. Food shortage, food insecurity. I think paying $2 for a box of the Aunt Jemima pancake mix is a really good deal. And probably your local Walgreens has quite a bit of food in stock compared to your local grocery store, all the craziness going on in the world. Also, the Post cereals are $1.99. Check IBOTTA and the different rebate apps for rebates as the week progresses. And we have the Campbell soups 2 for $2. I mean, that's a typical Meijer price, $1 per can for that condensed soup. And then $1 for 2 for that broth, also not a bad price point. And the 5 for 5 for the tuna is also a really decent price point. And the BOGO free for the Lindsay olives, also a great one. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!